friends, so for Mini Kit Monday / scrapbookingstore.com, I am using this gorgeous kit by Echo Park. It's called Hello Fallen. It's all those rich, warm, dark chocolate browns and brick reds and this wheat color. It is gorgeous. We also have this big old sticker sheet that is so cute. Look at Mr. Owl. He's so cute. Okay, anywho, so I'm also playing along with Christy of Christy's Beautiful Life's 30 Days of Sketches, and this is a sketch for today. So it has kind of a plain background with a few different sheets of pattern paper on the side, a photo block, and some little good stuff, and a title over here. So I'm like, interesting. Let's see how that goes. Now this has a bunch of photos. I'm just using one. So the cool thing with sketches is you get to be the boss, right? Do whatever sounds good to you. This is a photo I am using. This is my son, my daughter, my son's girlfriend, and our new puppy, and his name is Blue. And we got him, and look at the fall leaves and all that. So I love the colors, right? I have my title already chosen. So I have this Falling For You is from the sticker sheet. And I brought in some thickers with this kit this month. And my thickers, and these didn't come with the kit, and it says, Mr. Blue, Falling For You. So that's going to be our title. I'm going to see how that goes. I know this is going to be my background sheet because I liked that it was, I mean, it's multi-tonal, right? But it's a lot more of a tone-on-tone kind of thing. So I was digging that. That's nifty. And then, yeah, and then for those pieces on the sides, I always like to start with scraps first. I figure like you are less wasteful. Now I can't use this scrap because the trees would be going kind of in a wonky way. But I can use the red, I can use these leaves, and I can also use the yellow. So maybe I'll take the brown away for now. I'm not sure. I like the richness of the brown. And my son's hair is very brown. So I might cut into it. Yeah, I have to. It really brings him out. So I think the photo block will be in that and one of the paper slices going this way. So it's a pretty easy design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off my pieces. I'm going to attach these pieces, and I think I'm going to get myself a brown ink because, I don't know, there's something about these deep tones that really makes me want to ink. You made me ink. I'm like Finding Nemo. Okay, so I'm going to get those pieces on. I'm going to map my photo. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it once, twice, thrice, no clue. We'll figure it out. And I'll get my design kind of going, and I'll come right back. All right, I have some nice progress. I have all of these pieces down as well as my photo. Now I'm going ahead and inking in these little tickets I punched. I inked this scallopy circle. So these are just punches I have, and I love punches because they kind of allow us to use the, the pattern paper and all of that we have kind of to our fullest abilities. It's one of my very favorite ways to stretch a kit. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm going through all of these adhesives I've had, trying to use them up, because I'm actually on a design team for adhesives, and I really just want to only use those because I love them. So this is this weird thing where I'm going through absolutely everything, trying to use up bits and pieces because, I hate wasting as well. So that's what that's about. All right, so that's kind of cute. So I have a nice little layering there, and I did the same thing with these tabs right here. I don't even know if this stuff's coming out. I mean, these are really old adhesives, but I'm telling you, I'm determined to move things along. Out of mustache. So this where I'm just tucking little pieces behind, breaking up some of those cream off-white colors a little bit, keeping it ever so interesting if I can. There we go. Cute. So I have this piece right here, and it's a banner piece that reads Falling For You. And I think it is super cute, and that totally works for when you get a new puppy, in my opinion. Now I'm inking it in really just so that it looks like it's all part of the kit because everything else has these little inky bits. Now when I do this, I'm not, clearly you saw how fast I did it. I'm not trying to do it so that it's like a big precious activity or anything. I just want to get it on there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, make sure, see, like some of these pieces don't really look that straight. I'm going to put this on some foam. I have to do this title. The title is supposed to be here according to the sketch, but that's not going to be working. So I'm going to go ahead and get this title on, and I have to glue down the alphas, and then I'm going to pick out a couple more pieces and we'll put them on together and finish this up. All right, so let's see what else we can do here. I have these great sequins. I have enamel dots. I have some gems, and these are just things I added to the kit. It's not part of the kit or the upgrades from scrapbookingstore.com. It's just great goodies that I have. So I have this whole falling for you thing. So I think it would be cute. Do I want to put these bling bling ones on? Because I do like them. And now look at this. Look at the glitter in these alphas and in these little leaves too. That is fortuitous. Maybe that's why I chose them. I don't know. But it is working out ever so nicely. All right, that's kind of cute. Because I kind of have the two clusters. Actually, it's like one main cluster this time. I don't know. All right, let's see if there's anything else I'd like to get. I like some of these leaves, maybe this size. Like the red and the yellow. I like the brown. Okay, so I can do that. I can maybe slide that one partially under there so we get the idea that we have a leaf going under. Okay, so we're starting to build out the clusters and making it just a little bit more interesting. Ooh, you know what I realized I didn't do? I didn't ink those guys in, and they're gonna look a little bit too white. Let's see. Oh, yep, it wanted to pop right out, so it's good. Just needs to be a little muckier for it to work. So let me kind of slide that under there. Okay, I really dig that. And then this one, yeah, it's almost fading into that because it's just so clean. When everything else just makes it. So yeah, this layout's one of those really just cute, sweet ones because there's a new puppy involved. And I don't know if it has a huge amount to do with fall, except for there's fall leaves all over the ground while they're hanging out in my front yard, which is beyond precious. When we brought him home, we just really have been enjoying him. He's a bit of a terror. Do not get me wrong. All right, I like my little leafy and acorn clusters. So I think all we have to do at this point, I have my little bling blings and they add a lot, is to just go ahead and see what I can do with these extra little bitty things I brought into this kit for now. I really love this set of enamel dots. I think they're just like this kind of like dirty, like between orange and red. So they are definitely working for me. Wish I had some itty bitty ones, but you know what I could do since I don't? I'll just put one smaller one of this yellowy tone because that would take care of it. So I would have 3 and 3, and I hate to say it, but I am really enjoying this and it might be done. I think, why don't we just go ahead and hit it with just a little bit of my Jen Hatfield Gold Mist. You guys see me use this stuff all the time because I'm mildly obsessed with it. I like that it does kind of larger splatty bits. And yeah, that's going to be about it. Somewhere on here, I might put the date. Now, I'm doing roughly 3,000 layouts from this same day, the day we got them. So they're all going to be kind of next to them, next to each other in the album. I'm sorry. I don't even know what I'm saying. I think I'm kind of thinking about what I'm making for dinner. I'm making a beef stir fry, just so you know. All right, so there we go. I like some of those splatty bits going on to the dark brown. All right, so here is the layout. I hope you like what I came up with. Fun to use all these patterns and fallsy colors and all of that good stuff. So I will have the links down below. I always forget to say that I do have an affiliate link with scrapbookingstore.com. So I'll have that below. Click on it if you want to get goodies from the store or subscribe through my link. And if you don't, there's a link to do it the other way. And also I'll have all the links for the Mini Kit Monday ladies channel down below as well. Any questions or comments, leave them and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye, friends.